Yeah, Baba. Oh, my brother, Doka Kumba, Uyayakaya. Before the boys become men, Napambi Kokuba, baby, I'm a Jordan. Wakaendo chisraganika, dreams in your eyes, fire in your feet. Uchitevera marinembiri, chasing the lights of the city streets. But back at home, pain is silence. Little shoes by the doorway still. Vakomana vako vakatarisa, waiting for your voice to fill. She hides the pain, but only God can truly know. Wanakomana no da baba, a son needs his father's hand. Umfano bega gue to learn how to become a man. Brother Uyayakaya, your sons are calling out your name. Don't let their hearts be filled with pain. For boys grow fast, they become men. Bachakura, bakusire. One day they may close the door. If you don't come back anymore, Ambiko Kuba, baby, I'm a daughter. Before they stand and turn away, make it right while there is time. Come home today. The world can offer many things, big suits, fast cars, and diamond rings, but none can buy the missing years, or heal a child's unspoken tears. The father's laugh, a father's prayer, simply just being there. Izintolezwa zitengiswa, these are gifts beyond compare. Their mother carries all the burden, moyo waki wakarema. Maybe pride built up the distance, but love can still restore forever. Come back. They may carry wounds too deep and turn your memory into sorrow. Before regret becomes your song, go and make amends today, before the chance is gone.